To update a record in GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your registered domains. Select the domain you want to update by clicking on it. In the Domain Manager, click on the DNS Settings or DNS Manager option. This will take you to the DNS management page where you can view and edit all your DNS records. Look for the record you want to update. It could be an A record, MX record, or any other type of record. Click on the three dots next to the record and select Edit. Make the necessary changes to the record, such as updating the IP address or mail server. Be careful when making changes as incorrect DNS settings can affect your website or email. After making the changes, click on the Save or Update button to save the new settings. It may take some time for the changes to propagate globally, so be patient. To verify that the changes have been made correctly, you can use online DNS lookup tools to check the updated record. It is essential to double-check your DNS settings to avoid any downtime or issues. Best practice is to keep a record of all changes made to your DNS settings, including the date, time, and details of the changes. This will help you track any issues and resolve them quickly. Additionally, it is recommended to use GoDaddy's built-in DNS templates or use a third-party DNS management service to simplify the process and minimize errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily update a record in GoDaddy and ensure your website and email are running smoothly. Remember to always be cautious when making changes to your DNS settings and test your changes thoroughly to avoid any issues.